Say hi. Hi guys, so welcome back again to our vlog, and today is no work day today. We are at the back in our apartment, so you can see the field. Looks really nice, very greeny, and my husband is there. So he went home so early because today is it Labor Day today? Oh, bank holiday. It's a bank holiday, so there's no work. Today is Monday, bank holiday. Parang sa Pilipinas lang, Labor Day. Okay, so ayan. So he's gonna bring me to the Tunstall Bank. Sorry, Tunstall Hill. Tamang-tama, ito yung sinuot kong sapatos kasi alam niyo naman, yung sapatos ko is matagal na to guys. 1 year na yung shoes ko. I don't have a new shoes actually. So, charot lang. Yung bago kong sapatos hindi ko isusuot dito guys kasi alam niyo naman. Lalakad lang tayo dito sa bukid. Ay, hindi pala siya bukid. Ano pala to? May mga bata ata naglalaro dito. So, para na ako nasa Bohol guys. Ay! Sa Bohol kasi meron din ganito. Pag nasa mga gantong lugar ka guys, parang nasa Pilipinas ka lang. Pero nakasuot ka na ng jacket kasi nga malamig. Hindi pwedeng hindi ka mag-jacket guys kasi malamig ang panahon. Pero hindi na siya, maganda lang yung panahon ngayon kasi hindi maulan at hindi nag-snow kaya pwede kang maglakad-lakad, mag-enjoy dito sa lugar na to. I feel like I'm home. I feel like I'm in the Philippines.
How?
Because we have like this scenery. I feel like I'm in Bohol. The only difference is it's cold. And at the same time, the houses, you can see, look at those houses. But it looks like I feel like in the Philippines. Look at those. Here. Here's so many birds. So yeah. So my husband's gonna bring me to Tunstall Hill, and let's see. I was actually planning to go to Tunstall Hill yesterday, but the reason why I did not push through, because I'm a bit scared because I don't know what it looks like and how to get there. And maybe something happen again, so I don't wanna risk my life. But that's fine. I think a lot of people are playing now. I think the kids are playing around there.
Yeah, you want this?
Okay, let's go.
You're not to go up some sort of people buy to go plants, flowers, trees. You're not seeing the little sections. People
Yeah.
keep birds in there.
So meron din pala silang ano guys, makikita nyo yan. Yun yung mga parang kung saan ka may mga hayop like katulad ng mga manok na gusto mong magpaano ng itlog, mga ganyan, mga tanim. Yan, meron silang ganyan. So let's go. Ito lang pala guys, ayan, kasi nakapunta na ako dito. Etong park na to, nakapunta na ako pero hindi pa ako nakapag-try na dito dumaan.
Not as a children.
So maraming mga bata kasi nga walang pasok today. Walang pasok today.
Nice to play. You watch it?
Yeah. Maraming mga bata kasi walang pasok today. Guys, tingnan nyo naman. Guys, parang nasa Bohol lang ako guys, oh. Nanimaho ang Bohol. So, guys, this feeling, I feel like I'm in the Philippines, especially in Bohol. So, in Bohol kasi guys, especially dun sa province ng lola ko, parang ganito din yung setup. And may part din sa Cebu na ganito, lalo na yung nagbabike kami kasi dati. Dala-dala namin yung mga bike namin. Tapos pupunta kami sa mga ganito. So, yeah, actually, when I was in the Philippines, yeah, so I have my bike. So we used to go in this kind of like area with our bike to explore. Yeah, it's so nice. There's a dog.
Where?
Yeah, so. So ayun guys, andito na tayo sa tuktok, pero hindi pa daw to yun, oh. Hindi pa daw to yung pinaka-tuktok. So yeah, we're coming. Ay, basa. Woo! Medyo mabasa-basa siya guys kasi nga a few days ago nag-ulan eh. So buti na lang ito yung sinuot ko. Pang malakasang Reebok. Shout out Reebok. So dito ako dinala ng husband ko kasi dito daw siya madalas pupunta nung bata pa siya. Ayan. Let's go. Buti na lang, kaganto ko. Ay! Diba guys, parang nasa Bohol lang ako guys, no? Bakit ko ba sinasabing para ako nasa Bohol? Kasi guys, nung nandun kami sa Bohol, nagganto-ganto din kami. Pero meron din ganito sa province ng Cebu ha. Nagpunta kami ng Liluan ata yun. Liluan. Mga bundok sa Liluan. Ayan. Yeah? I used to go with my friends with our bikes, and then we bike in this kind of area. Huh? Yeah? So that's why I enjoyed going this kind of area. So may napansin lang ako guys. Kaibahan lang ng sa areang to walang mga kambing. Walang baka. No, in the Philippines, you know what? If we go like this kind of area, it has like cow, carabao, what's that called? Goat. Carabao, it's like it's similar to cow. We use it for farmers all those farmers, they have Carabao to help them to work on with their field, rice field. Ayan.
You like it here?
Yay!
You like it here?
So we're here,
What?
right here now.
Do you like it here?
Yeah, true. Oh, we're here now on the top of the hill.
Right, left.
Is this the one?
This is the top. Right. Is that off? No. This is the top of the hill.
Guys, we are here. Apollo in the UK. Parang Apollo lang siya, guys. Apollo Liluan, shout out, o, diba? Na-miss ko din. Ito naman, guys, is another part dito sa Tunstall Hill. So, ang daming mga halaman. Ayan. May nakita ko dun mga sasakyan. So, dun sila nag-park. And, ayan. Ito na po yung tuktok ng Tunstall Hill. Pero meron pa palang tuktok doon. So, pupuntahan natin yan. So, that's why I'm gonna follow him. So, where we're gonna go now? Oh, I like this picture. Yeah. Good scenery. Okay. It's another part. Uy, beautiful. Ganda, oh. Woo. Ito yung parang Apollo. Malaking Apollo, guys, oh. Ayan, ganda, 'di ba? Yay! So we reached the highest point in Tunstall Hill, guys. As you can see at my back, tingnan nyo naman. Ayan yung, ito na, ito na, ito na! Ito na yung pinaka highest point. Wow!
Oh,
Woohoo!
chop the hills.
Wow! Amazing! So this is the highest point in Tunstall Hill. There. Ang ganda, oh. Look at, guys, oh, ang ganda. Look at that. It's like a peak. This is our area, guys. Ito lang yung lugar namin dito. Makikita nyo yung napakagandang mga bahay dyan. Malalaman mong nasa peak, pinaka highest peak ka na kasi makikita mo yung sign na yan. Careful, ha!